Oh, okay.
Okay, so hello, mom. What would you like? Ay.
Kami mananda.
Kamay mo
Siya man ang tindira. Uy, ikaw.
Ikaw may tindira, Ling.
Mom, what do you like for today and here? I want everything. Do you have everything?
Big bang to our customers or us. Nobody will buy from us. You will get bankrupt.
Ay, panghapak. Panghapak tayo ka.
Okay. Nah,
You go bankrupt.
No. Okay. Free.
Be kind to your customers.
Okay, I want this.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Ate, ilang pangkuha sa card?
In English.
In English.
Pag
Uy,
English.
pag bayad man pag mana.
Ano na ikaw mag-serve sa food?
Pag English, ay, tindira.
And this one.
So what's my rollie? Unhygienic yan.
Ow!
You put it on the tray.
Also this one.
Sama na nga. Sabuto na lang eh.
Also this one. And also can I have this one? Yeah. And
Oh, we also have free ice cream for you, ma'am.
thank you. Enough. And also this one.
It's
Magbuot
okay,
man
she
ka.
will pay for all of that. You'll have more money, you know? That's okay.
Ay,
Let me
pagbo-
everything.
Dili, medyo katawa.
Why? Is it a sad shop? You want everyone to cry here? You want us to be sad?
Can
Ay,
I also
ay panamay
have
sa mong
a cup of
kalungkutan.
Orange juice. Yeah.
Oh, ikaw na yan, tindira.
May mo cash or card? Cash or card?
Cash.
Utang.
Cash.
Utang, utang.
Utang ko. Utang.
Ibunog sa videographer.
Okay.
Stop sa guys, kay bunog pang videographer.
Di na ko makabit sa kumpita. Katawa. Sige, katawa.
Ah.
Sama na. Who is the...
I
Okay.
can someone open this? Yeah.
Whose wallet is that?
Ako Nagbay lang ng Eddie.
Oh, let me open. Let me open.
Kami.
Saan naman ni... Uy.
Okay. Here is my Robinson's card.
Wow. She has got all kinds of cards here. Why are you opening the cash box? She's paying card up.
Bitaw, bitaw. Kalibog.
Okay, how much? How much?
Ya, ang
How much is
sukli,
your bill?
ang sukli.
$50.
Oh.
Social.
Mindset. Narito sa US, ma'am? Narito sa US?
Na 100 na lang ko ibayad.
Wow, thank you. I thought you...
Kalibog.
You paid
Ingon pa card niya.
already, then you're paying cash.
Okay, nag-iwan lang muna.
No, you have enough money in
$50.
your card. That's enough.
Okay.
Kasi gitawagan nimo, kasi gitawagan nimo Ling.
Give back her card.
Salamat.
Be, kasi gitawagan nimo nalay kay gidayal sa imong kon.
Ako nasa dagkas. It's a mukha pagkali ko. Okay. Kami duha ni mami ang customer. Okay.
Nice nila gina. Dali sulod.
Oh, slime ana.
Wait. No, yo.
Kani mo idili slime. Kato man yung
Hindi
gigas.
ka nagipalit.
Sa SM
Ano
ana.
tunga naman lang ni?
Gikaon ni Ili ang katunga.
Ikaw ni mo tungaling?
Wala.
Asa man katunga ana? Gikaon nimo.
Di oy maing ana man na siya ka nang
Abi mo gid niya Jili ish.
pasagdan ba?
Ah, maana siya.
Kung mo siyang
Ay.
pasagdan kay mo yung anak siya.
Okay.
Kani.
Badi asa itong sanda di?
Ano ka man?
Pasok yan.
Oh, palete. Ay.
Okay.
Okay. So, kami doon ni mami. Customer. Tuyok na
Custom.
po!
Pila man ni ka rounds Ling?
Tuyok na sad. Tuyok.
Mano niya man tuyokon dili pwede di tuyokon.
Tamaran na marog.
Lagi.
Natuyok ko na alam minsan lang patuyok ko din yung reklamo. Okay, kasi naman eh.
Hello, God. What would you like? Pagtanong ba?
Nagtanong mo na siya, yan man ang strategy para.
Hello, ma'am. What would
Baka
you like to
customer.
order?
Hello, what's your menu? Can we
Here.
have your menu? Okay.
Akong mama.
Si mo mama.
Akong mama ba?
Ay, ko mama.
Ako anak, ako ang anak.
Palit ka ma.
Ako ang anak.
Okay, so I want this.
Mommy, how about me, mommy? You buy me food. I'm hungry. Oh,
Okay.
You buy me food, mommy.
Purple or pink? Purple or pink?
Mommy, I want coffee.
Coffee.
And I want
What's your
pancake.
age? You.
I'm one.
Then you're not allowed to eat to drink coffee.
Wow, mommy.
Just drink orange juice.
No, I want coffee.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, coffee. Okay. The coffee is free. Any drinks are free. Hoy!
Thank you.
Pagkagal kay bayad, ani? Oh.
Bitaw Ling, bayad sa Ling.
Free raman ang drinks. Sige na. Okay, what would you like to order as? No.
Wala sabot.
Cash or card? Card. Okay, give me your card. Ma'am, this is the Miniso card. That's okay.
Oh no, mom.